So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make real money by playing backspin games here on Swagbucks. Now, once Swagbucks is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left and press on Games, then press on Get Started. Once you're on the games page right here, which it'll show up in a second, and I'm on right here, I want you guys to go to the top right to where it says sort and then press on A to Z. This is the simplest way for you guys to kind of sort different games, etc. Now, for me right here, Backspin Games earn up to 13,075 swag bucks. Go ahead and press on that. First and foremost, you have to go ahead, press on Get Now to download the games. Then once you guys have Backspin Games, in order to earn swag bucks, which will then lead you to earning money, you just have to go ahead and make a deposit to reach level 1. Basically, just play and proceed through the games, and you guys can actually earn swag bucks because of that. And once you guys have enough swag bucks, you can redeem that for cash and or gift cards. Now, that's how you guys can download and play Backspin Games here on Swagbucks to earn real money. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.